Hi, this is Margie Cantu from Cisco Tech Communications team. In this video, I want to show you how to create a virtual drive for a Business Edition server. As you may recall, these type of servers are configured with the RAID 5 level, which means that the virtual drive needs at least 3 hard drives assigned, and it only supports one failed hard drive at a time. Otherwise, all the data stored in the virtual drive will be lost, and we will need to reconfigure the virtual drive. If you log into the CIMC webpage with admin credentials and go to the left menu, then select Storage, Cisco 12G, you are going to see the option of Create a virtual drive from an existing virtual drive group. For a Business Edition server, that's not a viable option since it requires to modify the size configuration of the existing virtual drive. Business Edition servers do not support post-sales configuration changes. With that being said, the option that we have is to replace the file hard drives, delete the affected virtual drive, and create a new one. In this scenario, when the virtual drive has more than one failed hard drive, we need to delete the affected virtual drive in order to create a new one, after and only after the affected hard drives have been replaced. For this procedure, go to Virtual Drive Info tab where you will find the current virtual drives configured. Select the affected virtual drive from the left column and take note of the configuration and hard drives assigned to it. In case that the affected virtual drive is marked as a boot drive, the system will not let you delete it. Go back to the Virtual Drive Info tab. Here, you need to set as a boot drive a different virtual drive. Then, click on the button Delete Virtual Drive so the hard drives are available for assignment to a new virtual drive. Now, we need to create a new virtual drive. Go to the Controller Info tab in the top menu and select the option Create a virtual drive from unused physical drives. Select the RAID 5 level at the top of the window. Then, select the hard drives that were assigned to the previous virtual drive and click on the arrows button to assign those hard drives to the new virtual drive. Assign a proper name to the virtual drive. At the bottom of the screen, you are going to see that the size has been assigned automatically depending on the number of hard drives selected, and validate that you can see all the selected hard drives in the right column. After that, click on Create Virtual Drive. You can confirm if the virtual drive has been created on the Virtual Drive Info tab. If the virtual drive that was deleted was marked as boot drive, then you need to set this new one as boot drive as well. Mark the checkbox of the virtual drive and click on the button Set as boot drive and confirm the change. An important point to keep in mind is that if the affected virtual drive was configured as a boot drive, you will need to reinstall ESXi and the virtual machines hosted on the server using your configured backups. At this point, you have recreated an affected virtual drive for a Business Edition server. Thank you for watching.